How to fix Roblox two-step authentication not sending email. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can fix the issue of Roblox two-factor authentication codes not being sent. So if you're stuck on the one-time code verification screen because you haven't received the code in your email, you can follow the simple steps. So first of all, you need to go to roblox.com and simply replace the home by support. Hit enter to access the support page, and now you need to fill out the support form. Enter your username, which is optional, your first name, which is also optional, and then enter your email address. Confirm the same email address that is associated with your Roblox account. Now choose a device that you are having problem on, either PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, iPad, or Android phone. Once you select your device, select the type of help category. Now in this category, choose Bug Report, and then click on Bug Report again. In the description, type something like, whenever I try to use two-factor authentication, I do not receive an email containing the code. So my current email address is .. Please help me out. Now you can submit the form by tapping on continue, which is highlighted in black color. And this will contact a Roblox representative as the issue likely needs to be resolved on their end. So wait for their email response and they will let you know if you need to take any further action or if they have fixed the problem. Then you should be able to receive codes at the email address associated with your Roblox account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.